One day your car won't start, and you're going to need someone to show you how to use this. I'm going to be that guy. So this is a jump box. I have mine in a very nice case. You may have one of these or you may not have one of these, but this could save you when you're in a predicament with a dead battery. Maybe no one's around. Maybe you don't know how to jump your car off with a set of jumper cables. This is going to make it super easy and it's super convenient. So first thing you want to do is make sure your car is off. Turn the keys off. Turn everything in your vehicle off. Air conditioner, radio. Make sure you turn your lights off. Okay, the next thing you want to do is locate your battery. Okay, now that you found your battery, you have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. When using a jump box, you have two cables here. You have a red cable and a black cable. And it's pretty simple. Red means positive. Take the red one and you put it on the red terminal. And then you take the black one and you put it on the opposite terminal. That's going to be your negative. So you make sure you have a good connection. And this little box right here plugs into your jump box. Some of these may be different, but it's all pretty much the same. This one has a cover. So you put the end into the jump box. And then this jump box also has a light. The light will come on and tell you whether the battery's good or whether it's bad. And it'll also give you a green light when it's okay to jump your car off. So from this point, go to your vehicle, start it. Now, when removing this, you remove it the opposite way you did when you put it on. Negative first, then positive. And it's a super easy task. Shouldn't have any issues doing it now. This little box right here is a NextPal box. I'm not sponsored by them or anyone else, but I did buy a whole bunch of these and gave these as Christmas presents to my family. And I think this has probably been the most used thing they've had for Christmas in a long time. This one will start just about anything. It started Jeeps. It started heavy equipment. I've jumped ambulances off. I've used it more to help other people than myself. Everybody in my family has one in their car, and I make sure everyone knows how to use it. These are really handy, and you don't have to carry around big bulky jumper cables. Make sure you check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. Also, there's a very nice case. I'll put that link down there as well. I think it comes in a couple of colors. Might check that out. This is a nice case that you can get for it. I'll put the link for this in the description below as well. Anyway, I hope this helps. You know what to do. If it helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. This is Chillin' 40. See you next time.